is killing me, cause never a right time to say goodbye. What is up and what is good, y'all? It is your girl Untitled, and today we are back again with another sneaker unboxing. Let me start this off by saying happy 2022, another year, new me vibes, another year of realizing things. Just kidding. If y'all really know me, y'all know how I feel about New Year's. Anyways, like I mentioned, we got another sneaker unboxing. In the video before this, in my sneaker shopping. Let me just manifest that, actually. Sneaker shopping. But in my last video, my 2021 sneaker collection, I actually showed these to you guys as a sneak peek for my next video, which, by the way, thank you guys for all the views, all the subs. Hello to my new subs. What's up to my old subs? Feeling the love. Thank you guys so much. It's crazy that I grew so much in a little bit of time. Thank you guys for subbing. Thanks y'all for coming to come see me. I'm very excited for this year, and we are starting this year off with a bang. So if you guys didn't see in my last video, I actually unboxed what I got for Christmas, and it was the Union collab with Jordan. It is the Jordan 4s. It is the Guava colorway. I was hesitant to show you guys in that video, but I wanted to show because I did get it in 2021 technically. I am filming this in 2022 and I'm very excited for this. Right, starting off with the box, look at how sick their rendition of the Jordan 4 box is. No paint splatter, cement splatter, just simply like clean baby blue powdered box with this banana cream yellow lid with Jordan, I think he's reaching for the ball, and then the Union logo on it, and then it also has the Union hit on the underneath, and then the usual Nike logos. If you guys don't know, Union LA is a streetwear brand based off in LA, and this is their second collab with Nike, I believe. They did do the Jordan 1s. I don't even know what year that was, but those are insane too. I don't know if I'd ever get a pair, but they're insane. Like, whenever I see them in person, I'm like, wow. But they have those. They had two colorways of the ones that they had, and then with these now they have 4. Super sick box. I love it already. I'm gonna refer to this color as like banana cream yellow the whole time because that's just what I think it looks like to me. So yeah, when you open the box, we have the wrapping paper, and it is MJ himself. I believe he's signing autographs. I haven't taken out the whole wrapping paper, so I don't exactly know what he's doing in it, but it looks like fans' hands right here, and they have like pieces of paper. So yeah, I think it is MJ signing autographs. And there it is. Ah, man, this shoe is just insane to look at. I'll give y'all a 360 and then I'll talk about little parts like I usually do. So here is the shoe, the Union 4 Guava collab. So these retailed for $250 and now they go for like 5 times that amount depending on your size. But look at this. It's just a clean shoe. The way they did these colors all together is just insane. Who would have thought like all these colors together would just make this beautiful shoe. So here on the shoe, the whole shoe is actually pink suede. That pink suede all around. They, instead of like a leather toe box, it's like this weird bouncy mesh material. I don't know if you could see, but my hand is literally like, it's like very cushiony. Kind of reminds me of like sock lining. Then they do have the regular mesh 4 lining that they do on each pair of 4s, but this one's in like a banana cream color, and then it also has that same, it's almost like they deconstructed the shoe. Like, this is what the shoe looks like under the leather or the suede. That's how soft it is, and then they kind of just showed it, peeked it through here as well. Then we have these transparent I don't even know what to call these. I need to think of a name for them. Shoelace holders? I don't know. Shoelace holes, transparent little shoelace flaps right here. We have the clear, and then we also have it in that same I'm gonna call it like a dark sky blue cerulean color right here. We have the inner sock lining matches that same dark sky blue color as well. That matches right here, and it also follows through to the back heel tab with that same hot pink kind of meshy material. So this hot pink is actually the same material as the toe box, which is sick. It's just a little bit thicker, it looks like, not as bouncy, but same type of vibe. Very good color contrasting, that blue and that pink. It's not that regular like, oh, blue versus pink. It's like a hot pink and a very dark sky, or I guess a darker sky blue cerulean color. Speaking back on the heel tab, it actually has the Nike Air logo instead of, let me pull up my white Oreos, instead of the Jordan Jumpman logo, which is pretty sick because I think if they would have done the Jumpman logo, it would have been way different, but because it pays homage to like the old Jordan 4s, the old Jordan 4s that when they first released they had the Nike Air logo, but now they only have the Jordan flight symbol. I think that's super sick. It also comes with the usual dog tag, but it matches the baby powder blue color that's on the box, which is super cool. Gonna take this off, don't really need to wear this with it. And then that hot pink is also here on the other shoelace holders at the bottom. You could see a little bit here, it actually says the Union LA logo little tag, which I thought was a nice touch. And it's actually a color that even sticks out but still is cohesive with the whole shoe. It's that golden color and it's so subtle. It's not like a huge logo. Union doesn't really have a very noticeable logo, so I think they did this really well with their little tag right here. It says UN/LA. Thought that was pretty sick. Now, one of the things that was cool about this shoe as well, besides everything else, is the inverted tongue. It actually says the Air Jordan. It actually has the tongue inverted. So, for example, let me grab my white Oreos just to show you guys. So, when the tongue is unfolded, this is what it looks like. The Air Jordan logo is kind of upside down. But what Union did is they kind of tucked it over so that it looks like this, which is super sick because it gives the shoe wearer the option to customize it in their own way. I don't plan on cutting the tongue because I don't know if you could see, but they have the thread here that you could cut to undo the tongue. I'll probably insert a picture over here to show you guys what the tongue looks like when it's cut out, because I don't plan on doing that, I think. Or here, actually here. You guys can see it. You could cut the stitching right here. I don't know if you guys could see, but the tag is actually, it says Union on it, and then I think it has the Jordan flight symbol on it. Like I said, I'll insert a picture right here. I don't plan on doing that. I think honestly I wish I could do this with all my 4s. I mean, I still can, but you know, it's some work, so probably won't do it. I thought that was super cool. Union very good at curating a shoe that's different but also still wearable. I'll insert photos of the Jordan 1s here. The colorways they use, it just hits. I don't even know how to describe the Jordan 1. If you guys have seen the official pictures of their dunks that are coming out this year, they just know how to work their materials, do colorways. Like, even they have 2 more colorways that aren't as popular, the Desert Moss and I don't even know what the other one is. There's like a kind of poopy green color, and like I think that one is the Desert Moss, and then they have a gray color. And even though they're not as nice as the Guava and the Noirs that came out, the black version, they're still pretty wearable in my opinion. They're still nice, they're just not the colors I would wear. But when I see people wear them, I'm like, you know, they still did pretty well. Oh, I didn't even talk about the yellow sole and the stars, and then the sole which has the Nike logo in the same blue color and the same hot pink. But yeah, I don't know, Union just knows. Whoever is on that Union design team, creative producer, whatever you call it, he needs a raise, and he needs to design like everyone's collabs. But that's what makes the Union collab so sick, because they just know how to work materials and colors and know how to make a good shoe. That's it, just period. How to make a good shoe. So yeah, it comes with, so on the other shoe it actually has it comes with white laces on, but on the other shoe it's actually attached to it is that golden yellow color that they use on the tab, which I think is pretty cool. I don't know if I'd change it to that because I don't really like this kind of yellow, to be honest. Final thoughts on the shoe. Honestly, this is just a crazy shoe itself. I never would have thought that Jordan could collab with another brand to make this sort of like colorway. The only thing that I could really think of is Alelime, how they let her be so creative with the colors that she chooses. For example, her Jordan 1 high zooms, I think. Her Jordan 1s with like the fur blur on the tongue, and then the super colorful shoe itself, and then I think there's different materials on it. And then with the Nike Air Zooms, that green and that blue is just like, you never would have thought to see that on a Jordan shoe, because Jordan's so like, oh, black, red, gray, white, blue, and that's it. But this, when these came out, this is just like insane, and it doesn't seem wearable. I think it's super wearable. Like the suede is just so neutral, and then the pops of color at that point too. This is a 10 out of 10. This is a 10 out of 10 shoe. I can't wait to wear these, and I finally can since I posted this video. Alright, with all that being said, you know how I do. Let's get straight to how I would style these shoes.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else knows what you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I won't please you in any way I can. I won't share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long.
Alright y'all, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys got some inspo from the fits that I put on. I thought really hard about what I could wear with these shoes, because they could be streetwear, but you could also elevate it a bit with wearing like different textures, and then have the shoe speak for itself. Tell your friends, tell your dogs, tell your cousins, tell your aunties, and tell your side hoes too. More love, more life always from your girl, Auntie Liz. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it.